हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ़ यू इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन लीबमैन मेथड। एक्चुअली दिस मेथड is also known as standard 5-point formula or diagonal 5-point formula. If we have Laplace equation uxx plus uyy equal to 0, and if you use that finite difference scheme, actually please refer my previous video. I have explained how to get that standard 5-point formula or diagonal 5-point formula from the Laplace equation. When you apply the finite difference scheme, so we get u I j equal to 1 by 4 u I minus 1j plus u I plus 1j plus u I j plus 1 plus uij minus 1. So this is your standard 5-point formula. So if you see the geometry, or if you want to see here, so this is your ij point. So this will be your I plus 1 comma j, this will be I minus 1 comma j, this will be j plus 1 comma I comma j plus 1, and this is the I comma j minus 1. So the value of u at ij point equal to average of value of u at these 4 points. So this is your standard 5-point formula, and this is one iterative method. So what we do, the iteration formula we can write uij n plus 1 equal to 1 by 4 un plus 1 I minus 1 comma j plus un I plus 1 comma j plus un I j plus 1 and u n plus 1 I comma j minus 1. So if you see this formula here, we are using the updated value. I minus 1 j means this point, previous point, and u I j plus 1 this point. So for this point we are using the updated value, and this we are using value from the previous approximation. So this is your iteration formula. Let me take one problem based on this formula. The question is, solve the Laplace equation uxx plus uyy equal to 0 for the domain this domain is given 1 2 4 5 5 4 1 2 O A B. So this point value, let us have u1, this is the u2, this is the u3, this is the u4. So we have 4 interior points, so we need to find the value of u1, u2, u3, u4. Okay, so what we do, using this formula, let us try to find out for u1. So for u1 we'll use the square standard 5-point formula, means 1 by 4 of 2 plus 4 plus u2 plus u3. And one more thing, if you see carefully, so this boundary condition, so this is a C, so if you take this diagonal AC, so the boundary condition is symmetric, 1 2 4 5 1 2 4 5. So the value of u4 and the value of u4 and u1 will be same. So immediately we can write, using the symmetry of boundary condition, we can write u1 equal to u4. Fine. So we have mainly three unknowns here. So for u1, let me write the value of u1 using standard 5-point formula. So 1 by 4. So first point 2, second point 4 plus u2 plus u3. So this will be u1 equal to 1 by 4, 6 plus u2 plus u3. So we can write u1. Now if we write the iteration formula, so u1 n plus 1 equal to 1 by 4, 6 plus u2 n plus u3 n. Now if you find the u2, so for u2 we'll use this 1 by 4, 5 plus 5 plus u1 plus u4. So for u2 equal to 1 by 4, 5 plus 5 plus u4 plus u1. Fine. So u4 equal to u4 equal to u1. So we can have 1 by 4, 10 plus 2u1. So if you simplify, so we get u1 by 2 plus 5 by 2, that is your u2. Now u2 n plus 1 equal to u1, the previous point, we'll take the current value u n plus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. So this is iteration formula for u2. Now for u3 equal to, if you see u3, so we get 1 by 4, 1 plus 1 plus u4 plus u1. So 1 by 4, 1 plus 1 plus u4 plus u1. So u4 equal to u1. So we can have 1 by 4, 2 u1 plus 2. So we can have u1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So if you find the iteration formula, so we get u3 n plus 1 equal to u1 n plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So these are the iteration formula for u1, u2, u3. Now for starting the iteration, we need some initial approximation. So for u2, let us have u2 is near to 5. So let us have that initial approximation u2 0 equal to 5. Some problem it will given 0 0 0, or some problem it will mention especially some take the initial approximation 1 2 3 whatever. So here is not given. So what we do, we will just assume because u2 is near to 5, so u2 0 is 5 and u3 is near to 1, so we can have u3 0 equal to 1. So this is the initial approximation. So using this, let us try to find out the u1. So n equal to 0 for u1, so u1 1. So the value of u1 for the first iteration, so for that we have 1 by 4 u2 0 plus u3 0 plus 6. So 1 by 4 and your u2 equal to 5, u3 equal to 1 and 6. So we get answer 3. Fine. And now u2 1. So the value of u2 for the first iteration, so we get u1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. So already just now we got this u1 value, so 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2 equal to 4. Now u3 1 equal to u1 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So u1 equal to u1 we have 3, so 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2, So 4 by 2 equal to 2. So this is the value for the first iteration. Similarly, we can find out the value of second iteration. If you find the value of second iteration, so that will be u12 equal to 1 by 4 u21 plus u31 plus 6. So we get that 3, and u22, the value of u2 for second iteration, so we get the u12 by 2 plus 5 by 2. So we get the 4, and u32 equal to 3 plus 1 by 2. So we get 2. So these are the value for the second iteration. Now let us take one problem with the 9 nodes. Here it was with 4 nodes. The same question we can have. Let us have one domain like this. So the boundary condition 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 50 100 100 100 50 0 0 0, and here we have u1 u2 u3 u4 u5 u6 u7 u8 u9. So the question is, solve the Laplace equation for this domain. So we'll use the Leibniz formula. So here we have 9 nodes. So if you start any iteration, suppose u1 I want to start, so I need 0 plus u2 plus u4, but u2 u4 is unknown. So what we do, first try to find this u5. So for u5, using the diagonal 5-point formula, so 1 by 4 of 50 plus 0 plus 0 plus 50. We will take the diagonal. See, we should take that u7, u3, u1, u9, but we don't know. So let us take that boundary value 50 plus 0 plus 0 plus 50. So u5 1 by 4 50 plus 0 plus 0 plus 50. So we have 25. So we can mention here diagonal 5-point formula. Fine. Then we can have u7. Then we can have u7. So u7 equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4. So 50. So u7 means 50 plus u5 plus 0 plus 100. Diagonal points. Diagonal point. u7 means 0, 100, 50 and u5. So 50 plus u5 plus 0 plus 100. So u5 is 25. So we can substitute 25 here and simplify. So we get 42.75. So this is for u7. Now if you find the u3, so for u3 we need 1 by 4 of u5 0 0 0. So u3 equal to 1 by 4 of u5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. So 24.4 equal to 6.25 u3. Now we'll find out the u9. So u9 equal to 1 by 4 of 100 0 u5 50. So 1 by 4 of u5 50 plus 100 plus 0, and u5 equal to 25. So you solve means u9 will come 43.75. Now u1. Now u9 equal to 43.75. Now u1 equal to 1 by 4 of u5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. So we get 6.25. So using the diagonal 5-point formula, we have got the value of u5, u7, u3, u1 and u9. Now let us find the another unknowns using the standard 5-point formula. Now let us try to find out the u8. So we can write here u8 equal to 1 by 4 of, I am using the square, so u7 we know, u9 we know, u5 we know and 100. Okay, so already we know u7, u9, u5. Substitute the value of this, so we getting answer 53.12. And then we can have u4. So if you see u4 means we'll have 1 by 4 of 0 plus u5 plus u7 plus u1. So if you solve this u4, so we get 18.75. Now you have u6, so your u6 equal to, I can write 1 by 4 of u5 plus 0 plus u9 plus u3. So u6 will be again 18.75. And finally we can find the u2. So u2 will be 1 by 4 of u5 plus u1 plus u3 plus 0. So if you substitute the value of u5, u1, u3, so we get 9.38. Okay, thank you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.